Hello WoW players! Welcome to my latest tutorial where I'll show you how to download World of Warcraft The War Within Epic Edition for free. On this website, you can snag free game codes for Battle.net, Windows or macOS. I'll walk you through the process of getting one on Windows. As you can see, I've already used a code for the Epic Edition, getting it essentially for free. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial. First, head over to a site called gammarations.com, enter this URL in your browser to access the site. You'll find a wealth of gaming tips, tricks, and coupons here. On mobile devices, tap the burger menu. If you're on a PC, look for the coupons page in the header menu. Click on the coupons tab, and you've arrived at one of the best platforms for free game codes you'll find online. Search for World of Warcraft The War Within, click on it, and you'll be taken to the free game code page. From here, you can choose between the three major platforms and select the one that suits you best. I'll go with Windows. Wait a moment while the platform finds the code you need. You might be asked to complete a quick device verification CAPTCHA. I'll pause the video now to complete my CAPTCHA in about 5 minutes, then I'll return to show you the fully revealed game code. And there you have it. As you can see, my World of Warcraft The War Within game code is activated and ready to use. The device verification took just 5 minutes, but it's definitely worth it. You can repeat these steps for any game available on this platform. Just follow the CAPTCHA instructions, and you'll be able to unlock any game code you want. If you have any questions about how this game code service works, leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more game tutorials like this one. See you in the next video, bye for now.